Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Our fight is not against the Congress or any political party. Our fight is against the ideologies. We need to save India. And for that, it is essential to defeat the BJP. And Congress has been in the national opposition space from the last 7 years, as I have rightly explained in my public meetings, that the difference between Congress and Trinamool Congress is we have been consistently defeating the BJP over the last 7 years, and Congress is consistently being defeated by the BJP in the last 7 years. These are the two primary differences I would like to highlight in this press conference. So once the people of the state decides to go with Trinamool and takes Trinamool as a platform of choice and the only alternative to oust the BJP from that state, I think time is not going to be a factor. If Congress is not doing anything, we can't be sitting duck and staying idle and looking at things the way it's happening.
My question is, there is a time constraint. So in the run-up to the elections, will you give it a thought of joining hands with Aam Aadmi Party to defeat the BJP?
In Goa, Trinamool will fight it out alone.
Goa are looking for a credible change. I am sure the people of Goa want a strong leadership. Trinamool Congress will be victorious in the coming assembly elections. And on 11th of March 2017, when the results came, we, Congress party, had single largest majority. When I asked and when I went to give a letter to the Honorable Governor that we have got the majority, we are single largest party, you have to call us. My General Secretary and those who were in charge, they didn't allow us. They said that the governor will call us. Thereafter, I was elected, not selected, as a leader of opposition. Thereafter, the same people said that if Luizinho Faleiro leaves the presidency, we will form the government within 24 hours. I resigned as a Congress president also. I didn't take CLP leadership. I had a dignified silence for the last 4.5 years.